it's October 19th, 2021. This one here I got a call from a lady. She said she changed the batteries on the thermostats. Now it won't,
turn right on Tucker
the house won't heat up. So she probably bent the pins on the back of the thermostat, most likely. Said she jammed it on there hard, she said. So I said, yeah, you probably bent the pins. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and maybe try to straighten them out. If not, we could, if not, what we could do is sell them a new thermostat.
Turn left on State Road.
Miss Molly. You having a bad hair day today, Miss Molly? Oh yeah, you're having a bad hair day, Miss Molly. Yeah, you're having a bad hair day. Still not that warm out. Thinking maybe 50, 56, 57 degrees out today. Getting a bit nipply out, Ma. Oh, my, getting a bit nipply out.
Right.
Yep, you bent the pins. See them two on the end there that are bent?
Okay.
Let me try to straighten them. Oh no, looks like those two there. Those two are bent.
Do you need light here?
Yeah, and that's the red. That's the red. So that's the feed. Yeah.
So that's
let's
what
see.
I did?
Let's see if I can straighten it out. Where's the table?
Sorry.
See if I could.
It didn't
See if
have
I
your
can
first
straighten it
name.
out.
I don't know your first name.
Steven.
That's what I thought it was.
Yeah?
I called you years ago, but you were so busy you couldn't come do it.
Really?
Yeah, like 12 years ago.
I live right down the street.
I know you do.
That's cool.
Coming for years.
Well, nothing wrong with that. I mean, we're like lawyers. When you need us, you need us.
Well, I had the my husband, the ex-husband, who did that for a living. So.
He worked at St. Luke's?
Yeah.
I'm going to try to straighten this. I ain't guaranteeing I can. Because you really bent the shit up. Nope, it's falling right off. We're going to need a new thermostat.
Okay, well, this is the...
Look, it broke right off.
Alright. Well, this is the not the problem. I do have another thermostat that somebody bought me around 2 or 3 Christmases ago.
Well, where is it?
But it's one of those electronic Nest things. Are you
No,
familiar?
you don't want that.
Oh, no?
No.
Okay.
You don't want that. That's nothing but problems.
Alright.
So, well, let's put another thermostat in there for you.
Okay, perfect.
I mean, the thing broke right off, see?
Yeah. Alright, so
I did try to straighten it, but you shouldn't have slammed it. Give it the old slam dunk.
Yeah, I did.
Huh?
But I mean, did I bend the other part too? I
gotta change the other part too, so.
Yeah, I was worried if I had ruined that too.
No, yeah, I don't worry about
Okay,
that.
and I have a question.
So it's strictly heating. You don't need heating and cooling, it's strictly
No,
heating.
just
I'll do
heating.
a basic heating
But I want to
thermostat.
ask you a question. If I put a screwdriver in there, would I have gotten electric shock?
No, that's just low voltage.
Okay.
That's just low voltage. I'm just gonna get a regular heat thermostat for you.
Okay. And maybe something to drink or something like that?
Oh, no, I'm all set.
You sure? All right.
Red heat. Red heat, I got the jumper on it. If I could straighten the other one out, let me see if I could. If I could straighten that other one out, it might work.
So that Nest thing is junk then? The Nest thing is junk? The Nest thermostat is junk? Well, then I'll pass it on then to one of my kids then.
So I did straighten out the other one, which is cooling. But that's cooling, and then it's got the jumper on the red, but I don't know if it will. We're gonna try it. I don't think, because the one for the heating broke off. Oh, I got the batteries off of it. We'll try it. It might work, it might not.
Yeah,
I don't think so, because that one that's supposed to go in to feed the heat part of it is broke off.
Well, I checked it 2 weeks ago because I always check before Halloween to make sure that it's working, and it kicked in. I had no problem.
Fan, heat, done. So it's heat system, and then we'll put it up.
Right, but then you usually hear a click, and then you hear my boiler go on.
Heat
I know
system.
the boiler's working because I went and checked the.
Can you hear it? Did it come on?
No, it didn't.
Yeah,
But
because that heat pin is
and
broken.
And the boiler, I checked to make sure.
Sometimes there's a delay on it. Let's see what it said. No, it's got heat, fan on.
Right. I made sure that the flame was going.
Heat on. Set for temporary set for 73. This thing's kind of a big pain in the ass. You're better off with the other one anyway. It's simple, on off, you know, and up and down.
I've had this here.
Let's see if it kicked in.
It didn't.
It didn't?
Because usually when you turn on it, you can hear it click right on this Honeywell thing.
You could hear it, yeah. Well, like I said, the pin broke off, so it's not going to work without that pin. So I got to change it.
All right.
Sorry. That's what happens when you get violent, right?
When you get too strong for your old age.
When you get violent, start banging on things. Yeah, I come by here a lot. Sometimes I walk my dog.
Oh, okay.
I never knew you lived here. Your husband worked at St. Luke's?
Yeah, Dang.
What happened? He ended up passing?
Yeah, cancer.
That sucks, huh?
Yeah. Never know when your day is gonna happen.
That's the truth, huh?
Yeah. I just lost my brother too last year too in California.
In case there's any issues, I'm gonna have to kind of go up the wall here with it a little bit. Looks like this is all Latin plaster. Wow, that's hot stuff. I'll put it up as high as I can, okay?
Yeah. As long as it works.
It's gonna work, but you know, I'll have to paint up top there.
Yeah, it's all right.
This is hot stuff, wow. Little Latin plaster, it's almost like concrete board. Wow.
I think it's, well, this house was built in 1929.
Look at this, like flipping concrete.
It's horse plaster, I believe. I believe it's horse plaster.
I'm gonna have to get to my drill to drill that shit out.
Okay. Well, I usually don't put it on until Halloween.
See if I go up more, is it gonna cover? It's still not gonna cover. I mean, you got any extra little paint for that? No?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, down cellar.
Okay. This is scary stuff. It's really kind of like concrete.
Well, that's what they put in the house years ago.
Concrete on the walls? Oh, crazy.
I think it's called horse plaster.
Maybe.
Because that's what my mother and father had at their house.
Horse plaster?
Yeah, years ago they put that in. They called it horse plaster.
So what, are you retired now?
Yeah,
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah. I volunteer at the Council on Aging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then I do stuff. People need stuff done, I help them. Babysit my granddaughter.
Unbelievable. This shit's really heavy duty. Well, that's good that you volunteer.
Yeah, it gives me something to do and I like it and helping people.
Now, if we change the batteries, I'm going to show you. You got to go easy with these. You can't start, you know, going crazy here, because you have the same problem bending the pins on this one too if you start going too crazy, right?
Right.
Got to go easy. These are actually good thermostats. They got a common on them, but you don't have a common here.
What's that?
Common, if you had a third wire, I could hook up the common. You wouldn't have to use the batteries.
Oh, okay. But
This is-
that one doesn't have the stuff this one has, though, right?
No, this is strictly just heating. That's all you need is heating. You don't have cooling here. You don't need all that extra stuff.
No, I mean, it doesn't have the clock and everything like that, and I don't have to use the schedule or anything?
No. I mean, you don't need all that extra stuff. Keep it simple. You ever hear that saying, keep it simple?
Yeah.
You don't agree with that? You want all this complicated stuff in your life?
Oh.
I don't.
Well, the schedule part I liked.
You did? You like the schedule it? Yeah?
Yeah.
So up and down?
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, like when you leave, when
Yeah.
you come in.
This
stuff
one,
like
this
that.
one don't have that.
Yeah, I noticed.
Is that gonna be alright, or you're not gonna want it?
Yeah, I want it.
When you leave, just turn it down.
You don't have, what do you call it?
Programmable one?
Yeah, like this though.
I think I might have one in the truck, but it's not just strictly heating. It'll be heating and cooling like that one is.
Yeah, that's what I like.
You'd rather have that programmable one?
To be honest with you, yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me see. I think I got one in the truck for you, and you could read up on it and program it whatever you want.
Alright, perfect.
Or you just like it cool?
I think you do because you all day long if you're gone, you put down super low. 30 years probably?
Yeah. Yeah, over 30 years. 28 years or something. I've been doing this 40.
Someone at the Council on Aging, I said, because he brought me home, like this though, you don't need to shut the electricity off.
No, because this
Yeah.
is low voltage.
Oh, okay.
There's no amount of 24 volts. You're not going to get shocked. It's not like 110. See the small wire?
Right.
It's low voltage. Yep,
So this
small.
has both things in here? Heating and
Heating and cooling, but
Right.
this is strictly going to be heating. You only got 2 wires.
No, I know.
Yeah, I don't like the heat myself.
No, I got sick. I got nauseous and threw up and stuff.
Oh, they're gone. Still not in there. All right, now when you put it on, you got to put the top on first, right? Like that, and it just clips in.
Right, like
okay?
the other one.
Fan automatic, and then we're gonna put it on 70 and push hold for now.
And then
Heat
we're gonna-
on, and the burner should start up down there.
Okay, we'll see. Yep. It's on.
Okay. And there's all the instructions.
Sure.
All right. So that's what happened. Bent the pins.
Okay.
You know, and you bent the one pin that you couldn't do without. That one for heating was the one pin that bent. So
Okay.
you want to save these other batteries are still good, right?
Oh God, I'm gonna keep this because it has a clock on it actually.
Well, the thermostat's no good. I mean, you could save the batteries.
No, I can use the clock when I go to the beach or something or camping. Okay, now what about the bleeding of the?
I can do that too. So the heat's working now.
Yes.
And then you read the instructions and it can program it all, you know what I mean, set it.
Yeah.
Right now, if you got it on 69 and push hold, it'll hold, see, 71 and it's on
I
hold.
only want it like 68.
All right, so 68 until you get a chance to read the instructions and hold. And then you can read the instructions, you can set the clock, and you could do all your thing, but you got to change the batteries in this too.